Okay, so the LennyHip carrier, or twin carrier. If you snap two of them together, you have a twin carrier. This carrier works from newborn to about 2 years old. I found when my toddler was about 2, the waistband got really saggy and it got a little bit uncomfortable with him. So it adjusts down really small. So if you're petite, this will work great for you. If you're plus size, it works also because it goes out nice and wide. I'm about a 2X and this fits me with room to spare, and then especially if you have both of them snapped together, it works really well for all sizes. Super easy to adjust on the waistband here. It adjusts like the Lenny light. There's Velcro in there. Pop that open like that, and then this just slides along the panel. So you can make it small for a newborn, you can make it larger for a toddler, or somewhere in between. Does have numbers on there to help you see. The best way to figure that out is to lay it down, set your little one on it, and then pull this up around their legs to see where your size is going to need to be. So you can put it towards the middle, or you can move it to either side. So if you want little one in the middle on your chest, or if you want them more onto your hip, you can just slide that along wherever you want that to be. On the panel, we have these little straps here that adjust up to make the panel larger for the bigger kids, or you just pull that back down for your newborn or smaller baby, or anywhere in between that you need that. Then we have the strap that goes on your shoulder. It has an adjustment in the front and it has an adjustment on the back. So these both adjust out pretty wide. There's still a lot there that can go out to adjust. That stretchy part is nice. There's a little bit of, it's kind of like a fleecy feel on the inside, so it gives it a little bit of grip to help stick onto your shoulder there. Let's see what else here. So to clip two of them together, so right now we just have one waistband. If you want to put two of them together, you're going to just unbuckle this, and then you're going to find the waistband from the second carrier, find that clip, and you're just going to clip them both together. So you're basically just clipping two carriers together. Put it together, pull that down, and then you have the two waistbands, and so only one buckle. So you don't have waistbands overlapping each other. Alright, so let's see here. So to put this on, we're just going to unclip them from each other, and I'm just going to do one for right now. So you want to just kind of flatten that out so that makes it more comfortable. I'm just going to put that there. Typically it needs to be up pretty high. With a smaller baby, you like to have that up higher, so I always put it up pretty high. I'm going to go through this little red thing here, which keeps it, if for some reason the buckle were to break, it would keep it from falling and keep your little one safe. It's just an extra little safety feature there. So we're going to pull this down, tighten that up. However that's going to be comfortable for you. You want to just make sure that the strap is parallel to the ground. It's level all the way around. And then whichever shoulder you want the strap on, you're going to put the opposite arm through. we're going to put one arm through there, and then it's going to go up over our head. So then you can adjust this part this way, the back one adjusts down that way. I find it easier to have that back one adjusted down pretty tight before getting them in, because then there's less adjustments that have to be made after you have little one in there. Okay, so once we get it all adjusted where we want it, grab little one here, and we're gonna put them up here. We're gonna reach through this strap